Today, I'm going to be showing you all how to make money with Chatgpt. Now, Chatgpt is a chatbot developed by OpenAI. It is a natural language processing tool that allows you to have human-like conversations with a bot. It was launched in 2022, but it's just getting worldwide recognition this year. I'm here to show you all how to make money using Chatgpt. So if you are new here and you are not subscribed to this channel, I want you all to kindly like this video, hit that subscribe button and tap on that bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now, the first way which you can make money with Chatgpt is by generating content for other websites. This can increase traffic for your website or the website you're working for, which can lead to increase in more affiliate income. If you are, or let's say you're a writer, you want to generate a writing article, you can just use Chatgpt and it will give you an original writing which you can then post on your website. Also, if you feel you are not okay, if you feel you are not satisfied with what Chatgpt generated for you, you can generate another one and continue generating till you find the one that is very suitable for you. Now, let's move on to the next step. The second way which you can make money with Chatgpt is by writing social media posts, which would increase your reach, maybe on Instagram, on Twitter, on Reddit, on Quora. It can also lead to paid partnership. For example, on LinkedIn, your writing can just go viral and before you know it, you are hired for the dream job of your choice. Also, let's look at it in the sense of, let's say you're on Instagram or Twitter influencer and you got, an advertisement deal. You can just use Chatgpt if you don't want to rack your brain and think of content yourself. Also, most people find it hard to, generate captions. Now moving on, the third way which you can make money with Chatgpt is by creating chatbot conversations. Now, let me explain this. Chatgpt can be used to generate conversations for chatbots, which can be used to provide customer service. Let's say you work as a customer care representative and you're having a hard time, answering the customer's questions. You can just use Chatgpt to generate an answer which you will give to your customer. It can lead to an increased customer satisfaction, which can increase your revenue and your rating. Now, this must seem a bit tricky because Chatgpt might not, exactly know what your company is about, but you don't have to type the request as if you are, looking for answer for your company. Just, ask Chatgpt to solve the problem for you as if it's a general problem and you would get your answer. Now, moving on, the fourth way you can make money with Chatgpt is to create email campaigns, persuasive email campaigns. Chatgpt will literally create the subject of the mail, the greeting, and the closing line. Now, creating a professional email might, be hard, most especially if you're just starting up your business or your fintech app or company. Chatgpt would craft up this mail in a way that your audience will feel you've been in the business for a lot of years, if not decades. This bot is so good, man. Now, let's move on to the fifth way which you can make money using Chatgpt. You can use it to create e-commerce product listings. Now, Chatgpt can be used to write a compelling product description for e-commerce websites. Now, let's say you just, starting up your website and you don't know what to do. Your head is blank, like you don't know what to write for your products. You don't know how to best sell this product to your audience. Chatgpt would help you write a very good product description. It can increase sales By providing customers with detailed and accurate information about a product, it can also help you improve your current listings. Now, when you first start up your business, you obviously can't know everything. I mean, you can, have information about the product, but you might not be satisfied with yourself. You might want more. You might want to write more. So ChatGPT would help you with that. Now, let's move on to number 6 way of making money with ChatGPT, which is content creation for online courses and tutorials. Now, e.g., let's use crypto courses as an example. You might be the king of crypto. I mean, you can know what crypto is all about, but if you want to start selling courses, it has to look exciting, it has to look so professional. You can know your business, you can know literally everything about crypto, but you might not know how to draft a course, a crypto course. So with this, just log into the ChatGPT app and just write crypto course, and it will draft out how a crypto course is meant to be. Also, let's assume you want to, give tutorials. Let me think. Maybe you want to explain how to use an AirPod. You might know how to use an AirPod, but you don't know how to put it into writing. ChatGPT will literally help you with that. All you have to do is follow the procedures. Now, let's move on to the 7th way which you can make money using ChatGPT, which is generating scripts for video and audio content, e.g. what I'm doing now, YouTube. If you are just starting a YouTube channel, you might not know how to go about it. Let's say you even know how to go about it. You don't know how to do, intro, how to talk or anything. Not everyone knows how to talk or how to freestyle like this. You can just, let's say you want to make a video on how to make money online using Binance. Yeah, you can just, type it to the bot, how to make money online using Binance. And ChatGPT will continue generating thousands of ideas for you, which, you might even be confused because it's too much script. So you just, pick out the one that you can best explain to your viewers, write it down, then find the most possible way to explain it to your audience. Let's move on, to the 8th way which you can make money using ChatGPT, which is content generation for books and ebooks. ChatGPT can generate non-fiction or even write a novel for you. This bot is crazy, man. It can literally write a novel for you, and they will think it's a professional writer that wrote it. ChatGPT is great at writing descriptions, generating settings, and plot ideas. You see how mind-blowing that is. So let's say you need it, for yourself or an assignment. If you are told to write maybe a short play or something like that, just tell ChatGPT what the play is about, and it will generate a written drama, prose, or poetry script for you. And I assure you, your book is going to be rated an A+. Now, the last but not the least for this video, I can still make another video like this. But the last and not the least way which you can make money using ChatGPT is through translation. ChatGPT can generate translated versions of existing content which can be sold to businesses or individuals looking to expand their reach to other audiences. Let's say you get a job, it's written in English, and you are told to translate it to Spanish for some other audience or for some people in another country, and you have no idea how to do it. You could try using Google, but man, that would be slow, man. So you can just log in to your ChatGPT, type in the English text, and it will translate it to Spanish for you. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to watch more videos like this, kindly like this video, hit that subscribe button, and enable notifications so you'll be notified whenever I drop another video. Also, if any of these methods I listed eventually works for you, you can just drop it in the comment section below. Thank you all. Catch you guys later.